A time saver. Avicii site is unarguably exceptional. It's the pinnacle of affordability, reliability, and outstanding service. A big kudos to the team and authors behind Avicii for continuously expanding and improving. Here's to your ongoing success and the addition of even more incredible features. Is a time saver and has lots of different assets that help daily. It's recommended. I love the freedom of searching for something I need, finding many options, and being able to download and use it without any legal worries. Having Avicii is like having someone you can delegate part of the work, which can sometimes become overwhelming when you're a solopreneur. Their images are of high-grade resolution and quality. I love the location of their images, fit for any purpose. Their images are enough to cause the conversion to your website page, post, or landing page especially. Affordable pricing, a large variety of sizing, and great quality. Highly recommend these services. I will stick to using them because they are well experienced in the digital field of play. I have been in the billboard sector for more than 30 years, and this is the deepest set pool I have ever seen. To some extent, when I see a professional service, I know, and I stick to them. I don't know if I will see another service that is deeper than this, but this is the best have seen for now in the industry. Even my friends also confirmed it. Well, what can I say? They are doing well for themselves and customers at large. Keep it up.